Turkey's pine forests, while beautiful, are highly susceptible to wildfires. Even a small spark can ignite a devastating fire, destroying thousands of hectares annually. The rapid spread of wildfires poses a significant threat to Turkey's forest ecosystems. Wildfires frequently originate from unintentional human actions. Unattended campfires are a common cause of wildfires. Discarding glass bottles in forests can ignite wildfires due to the lens effect. Everyone shares the responsibility to protect forests, respect fire bans, collect trash, and avoid leaving behind dangerous materials. Report smoke or fire immediately by calling 112.